Okay, so we got that last batch of candy done. We're going to move on to some Starlight Mints. We got the phone here. We got the Starlight Mints up on the app. Version 6. There's the settings they recommend. The time they recommend. We're going to hit start with recommended setup. Nope, I should have ended that one. Okay, so that switched over to the mints. It took a second. It still said marshmallow there. So now it's saying load trays into freeze dryer. So let me get the candy out on the trays. And we'll get them loaded. I'll just do like 4 per tray. Whatever I got out here. Let's do 4 maybe. Or 6. Need a few more. Do space down. Okay, I got some candies out there. Let's get them in the freeze dryer. This is using the version 6 software. Move them too closer to in so we can see them. Okay, we got the Starlight Mints loaded, and I believe the next screen will be warming. I think these warm to 190. Okay, so we're at 71 degrees right now. It's got to warm to 190. Then it's going to hold them there for 10 minutes. So I'll bring you back when these things are nice and warm and start to expand. So we're at 189 and our countdown just started. So in 10 minutes, the vacuum pump should kick on and they will get big. I will bring you back when that happens. Okay, the compressor should kick on now. It definitely looks soft. Hopefully not too soft. Seeing a little bubbling, and they're starting to expand. Hopefully they don't get too big. Well, I'll bring you back when they're done. So we're down to the last 7 minutes. I do see an issue already. These very bottom ones didn't puff up that much. But I think I know what it is, and I'll explain it when I get them out. Just be a few more minutes. Okay, so we're down to the last 5 seconds here. And we'll get them Starlight Mints out and take a look at them. She's done there. Did see a little bit of mist coming out of the pump for the first time ever. So let some air back in. And, oops, there's keep bumping a light. Let me get these trays out and show you the results. Okay, so these first top trays are going to be good. It's the bottom tray that we had problems with, and I know why. It's my fault. So I let this sit a long time after that last batch of candy was done, and it got really cold. So when I put these in, it had to go up to 190. As we all know, the bottom is never the same as the rest. The first time I run these, they all did fine. But this time, I waited a long time between 2 runs. And this was really cold on the bottom. So even running them up to 190, this didn't have enough time to get up that hot. So maybe not wait so long between runs. But I'm sure they're still good. They're puffy, just not as puffy as your other ones. So we appreciate you watching. Any questions or comments? We appreciate it. Like, subscribe, hit the notification, and we will catch you on the next one. Thank you.